Hey, what's up guys? It's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. If you are returning, welcome back. It's great to have you. Today I have a 90-day recap on a Jomar Kids shoebox that I showed you guys back in December. I actually listed everything in November, but the video didn't air till December, so we are just about at 90 days on this one. If you like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel if you are not already. I do unboxings here on this channel, and then every time I do an unboxing, I do a 90-day update after I've had everything listed and given it a chance to sell, so I can give you real data on how the items in the box performed and overall if I think it was a good investment for my money. So this was a Jomar Kids shoebox, and this was my second Jomar Kids shoebox I purchased in 2021. The first one I was not super happy with because there were some fake items. I had a fake pair of Reeboks and a fake pair of Uggs in there. But I had ordered another one before I really fully assessed that first one. So that was my mistake. I was not super impressed with this box. If you want to see the original video, I can totally link it up here for you. I was not impressed. When I opened it, you guys will see that. But of course I listed everything, or as much of it as I could, to see how it did. So what I'll do here is I'll show you on the side what the item was, how much it sold for. I'll talk about what the profit was on the items that did sell. I'll show you guys some of the stuff that did not sell. And then at the end, I'll give you an overall assessment of whether or not this was a good investment and whether or not I would buy another one. So this box ended up, so it cost me $54.34. So the cost of goods was not super high, but based on what I ended up listing from this box, I have my cost per item at $6.79. So I only ended up listing out of this box 8 items. And I mean, I was grabbing at straws to even list 8 items out of this box. I'm not going to lie. After 90 days, I have only sold 3 pair of these shoes. I'll start with these Converse, these gold metallic Converse. I actually sold these at a loss. I mean, they had damage to them. They were stained, and I ended up doing I had them listed at $10. I sent an offer to Liker, so I sold them for $9 with the shipping discount. So my sale price was $6.54. Recouping a little money from the box, but I'm still profit-wise on that one item, negative $3.20. Yeah, and I've only sold 3 items. So I did sell the Riley Roos, and those sold for $20 on Poshmark. So I did make a $9.21 profit on those. And then the gem of the box, which not really, but these sold on Kidizen, these Adidas gray shoes, they sold for $28 on Kidizen, so I made $15.61. That's it. That's all I can report selling out of this box, and I still have 5 pair of shoes that are still listed. I've got the Champion, those sandal shoe things, the rainbow high top sneakers, which actually, in all fairness, those sat here a while because I had to clean them, and I procrastinated cleaning them, but there's still no one's even liked them, I don't think. I've got the teal sneakers from Oshkosh, the blue sneakers from Oshkosh, and then the slip-ons. So those 3 were Oshkosh. They weren't in great shape. Oshkosh doesn't sell for a ton anyway. Maybe I can sell those as we get into spring and summer. I don't know. At this point, they're just taking up space. No one's even interested in them. So I'm sure you guys can guess by now what I think of this box. I spent $54.32 on a box of secondhand items or thrifted items. My goal is to triple my money, and I did not even make my money back. I am still negative $12.33 on this mess. So this is my second shoebox from Jomar. Second kids shoebox, and it will be my last. I have not ordered more. I will not order more. it's a bunch of garbage. I mean, I think if you have kids and you want to take the chance that maybe there's going to be some stuff in this box that your kids can wear, like maybe, but for resale, no, I wouldn't. Now that I've had 2 really bad ones, I wouldn't. I've gotten some really good boxes from Jomar. This is not it. So I won't be ordering another one of these. I am doing a best and worst series for 2021. I did about 50 or so unboxings on this channel in 2021, and I can link the playlist up here if you want to kind of see some of them. But I'm waiting till around March to do my top 10 best and top 10 worst boxes. I'm going to do a compilation video. I was going to release it in January, but I decided that since there were some boxes at that point that hadn't quite hit 90 days, I want to give all the boxes a fair share. I want to do the 90-day recaps on all the boxes, and then I will final assess top 10 best, top 10 worst. So that'll be upcoming March or April once every box has hit 90 days. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you are interested in checking that out. Definitely drop me a comment below if you've ordered this Jomar box. Like, tell me I'm wrong. Tell me that this Jomar Kids box, somebody out there has gotten one better than this. Like, please tell me that I am like this one off, because quite frankly, I don't know how they can like send this to people. And I get great stuff from Jomar. This is just not a, like, I wouldn't, why are you selling people this box? Seriously. All right, well, that's it for today's video, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.